In this video, we will learn how to select data in Excel sheet with a different way. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some huge data. If you want to see the how many rows in this data, so just press the end button of keyboard and down arrow. That's it. Here you go in down last row. So the last row of this data 9995. And if you want to go again on first cell, just press the Ctrl plus home button of keyboard. That's it. Here you see you comes in first cell. Now if you want to select the full data, press the shift Ctrl and right arrow, then press the down arrow. That's it. Here you select the full data. Okay. And there is a second way. Just select any cell and press the Ctrl plus A. The full data is selected. And one more way, you can select by drag by mouse, but this is a huge data. It's take time. So to selecting by mouse, it's better when you have a small data. So this is a way you can select your Excel data and you can work on your huge data with these shortcut keys. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.